Are you still manually cleaning messy Excel data every single week, deleting blank rows, fixing formats, and copying things around? There is a built-in Excel feature. Every time you get a new data file, you probably spend 20 to 30 minutes fixing it, removing duplicates, trimming spaces, deleting blank rows, and reformatting. Start by clicking on any cell inside your raw data table. Then go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. Click the button that says From Table/Range. This opens the Power. Inside the Power Query Editor, you can see your data in a clean preview panel. Use the Home tab to click Remove Rows and then Remove Blank Rows to instantly wipe out any empty records. Click Close and Load in the top left corner, and Power Query instantly delivers a perfectly clean, formatted table right back into your Excel workbook. Next, you just learned how to use Power Query to automatically clean and transform messy data with zero manual effort, and it refreshes in one